In this video, we'll look at the Xeropan Students App and how your learners use it on their own devices. Xeropan is available on Android, iOS, and on desktop and laptops through the web application at www.xeropan.com. Students can learn anytime on any device they prefer. Xeropan supports two learning modes. One, autonomous learning, where the AI guides students through personalised lessons and role plays. Two, blended learning, where teachers assign homework or in-class tasks through Xeropan Classroom, and students complete them in the app. The curriculum is built around AI speaking practice, with over 2,000 role plays from beginner to advanced. Students practice everyday dialogues, introductions, ordering food, asking for directions, and advanced topics like job interviews and environmental issues. Before each conversation, students complete short preparatory lessons, vocabulary mini-games, pronunciation practice, video clips, film trailers, news broadcasts, and everyday dialogues, grammar explanations, and quick sentence-building tasks. These lessons prepare students so they can speak more confidently during the conversation. Speaking difficulty increases gradually. Students start by repeating short phrases, then build sentences, answer guided questions, and eventually carry out full conversations independently. The app uses proven gamification elements to keep students motivated. CEFR levels from A1 to C1, checkpoints and certificates, word strength indicators, instant microfeedback, points, stars, streaks, missions, weekly competitions. Combined with short 5 to 10 minute lessons, these features support consistent practice and progress. Xeropan helps students develop all 4 skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing, through structured levels and high-quality activities. This is the core experience your students will have in the Xeropan app. In the next video, I'll demonstrate the app step by step so you can see exactly how learners interact with each activity.